Welcome to the JusticePro Network's Daily Deep Dive in 5, where we break down the latest in advocacy, impact, and justice. I'm Aisha.
And I'm Aiden. Today we're diving into two important updates from the JusticePro Network.
First up, we're exploring the cancellation of removal process, a potential pathway to a green card for long-term residents.
Right, Aisha. This is often called the 10-year rule, and it's a legal procedure that many people facing deportation might not even know about. Basically, if you've been living in the U.S. for at least 10 years, you might be eligible for a green card through this process.
But it's not that simple, is it? What are the key criteria someone needs to meet?
Well, first, you have to have been in the U.S. for those 10 years, as we said. Second, you have to be in removal proceedings, actively fighting deportation. And crucially, you need to prove that your deportation would cause significant hardship to a close relative who is a U.S. citizen or a green card holder, a spouse, parent, or child.
And what kind of hardship are we talking about here? I imagine it has to be pretty significant.
Exactly. It has to be substantial, emotional, financial, you name it. You need solid evidence to back it up. And obviously, a criminal record can throw a wrench into things.
So, if someone has a criminal history, it makes it harder to qualify?
It definitely can. Immigration attorneys need to really dig into the details of the record and anticipate any challenges that might come up during the process. Understanding how specific crimes can impact a case is crucial.
This process really matters to families, doesn't it? The thought of separation must be terrifying.
Absolutely. These cases are about more than just legal procedures. They're about people's lives. The emotional impact is huge, and the decisions made can either reunite families or tear them apart. It's a really critical part of fostering family unity.
Okay, let's shift gears. The second update focuses on potential travel bans and their impact on immigrants. 36 countries are under consideration, which is a pretty big deal.
Yeah, this is a developing story with potentially far-reaching consequences. Travel bans can really disrupt the lives of immigrants and make an already complex immigration process even more difficult.
It's not just logistics, is it? Travel often represents hope for a better future.
Exactly. For many, it's about new opportunities and building a better life for their families. So travel bans can threaten those dreams and create a lot of uncertainty. Immigration attorneys have a huge role to play in helping their clients navigate these challenges and protecting their rights.
What's the current situation with travel restrictions in general?
It's constantly changing. Policies that once promoted movement are now being replaced by restrictions, often in response to global events like health crises or security concerns. It highlights the challenges of navigating immigration in today's world.
Of course, there are different perspectives on travel restrictions. Some argue they're necessary for national security.
Right. It's a complex issue with valid arguments on both sides. While protecting borders is important, we also need to find a balance that allows diverse communities to flourish. Immigration lawyers are at the forefront of this conversation, advocating for fair treatment while addressing legitimate safety concerns.
So what does the future hold for immigration in light of these potential travel bans?
It's hard to say for sure, but the conversation around travel restrictions is likely to continue evolving. Immigration laws could change in response to public opinion and political pressure. Attorneys need to stay informed and be ready to advocate for their clients.
That's all the time we have for today, folks. Thanks for tuning in to the JusticePro Network's Daily Deep Dive in 5.
Stay informed, stay engaged, and keep advocating for justice. We'll catch you next time.